How to delete a contact on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a WhatsApp contact. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the plus icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you can scroll through the contacts and simply select the contact that you want to delete. Now, once you are inside the contact, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, you can simply tap on View Contact. And once you are on the contacts profile, you can simply tap on the top right corner again. And now from the pop-up menu, simply tap on View in Address Book. And now you'll be prompted to the contact address. And now you again have to tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on Delete Contact and confirm it by tapping on Delete. And that's it. That's how you can delete a contact on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.